Happy Halloween, guys. How are you doing? Happy Halloween, guys.
Today I'm gonna make two drinks, one shot, one cocktail. Alright guys, so let's start with the shot first. This is called Black Widow. Black Widow shot is usually made by black vodka. I'm going to use Kahlua. Okay, I'm gonna put some simple syrup in here. Great. I have some pink sugar in here. Just doing this to stick the sugar all around here. Look at this, right? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pour some Grenadine first for taste. And rest I'm gonna pour Kahlua. Great. Look at this. This is your Black Widow. Yes, now I'm gonna make number 2 cocktail. After shot, this is the cocktail, dracula'skiss. Only having 3 ingredients. 1 ounce grenadine first. This is 1 ounce grenadine. Put some ice in the glass. Give it a stir. Now I'm gonna pour 2 ounces of vodka. Great. And 2. Next I'm gonna pour Coke. Whew. Great. Okay. Put another straw in here. Dracula'skiss, Black Widow, and Dracula'skiss.
Happy Halloween, guys.